Hello guys, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope that you all are doing fantastic and having a great Tuesday going on. So here we are guys, connected again in this YouTube live session that we are having on Unacademy 9th and 10th YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fantastic. So all the students who can hear me right now guys, please respond. Everyone out there guys, quickly respond if you can hear me, all the students out there. Okay, all those who have just joined the session, quickly respond, just say something so that I can get to know that yes, you are there. Okay, all the students out there, quickly go for it guys. Okay, so in this particular session, hello Pyara Irshad, how are you? In this particular session guys, we will be talking about what? We will be covering this particular topic that you can see on your screens. This is the topic that we have for today's discussion. That is the revision we will be doing on linear equations in two variables, right? So we will be talking about the concepts based on linear equation in two variable, and we will be talking about the questions which are based on these concepts. So this is the agenda that we have for today. This is what we will be talking about today. Okay, so I hope that you all are ready to start with this discussion. I'm going to wait for quite few minutes so that we can have some students joining us. Hello Anshul, how are you? This is about myself guys. As you all can see over here, I'm an engineer by profession, teacher by heart, and I have more than 1,49,000 followers on Unacademy. I've been a part of Unacademy CAT platform, Unacademy SSC CGL platform, and currently I'm catering to K-12 segment 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, and I've been teaching mathematics over there. There you can see my Telegram channel link. So this is the Telegram channel that we have for class 9th and 10th. Okay, for class 9th and 10th, this is the Telegram channel that we have. You all can search it, Suyash _ CBSE _ Unacademy, and you can be a part of this Telegram channel guys. On this channel I will update all the courses that I take on Unacademy. Apart from that, all the free special classes that we have, and apart from that, all the other relevant information from your exam point of view, and all the YouTube sessions. Okay, so all these things are updated on this particular channel so that you can be a part of it. Moving forward guys, the next thing that we have is this referral code that you can see on your screen. Very important discussion guys, very important. Please listen to me very carefully. Like you can see right now, we are connected in a free live session. Okay, this is a free YouTube class that we are into. Okay, this is a free YouTube class. It's only one YouTube class that I'm taking over here, but if you join me on Unacademy learning application, right? If you join me on Unacademy learning application, there you can find so many free classes. Okay, so many free classes are there which have been conducted by me, or that have been conducted by other teachers. Okay, so you can find all those free classes on Unacademy application. What you need to do is just download Unacademy learning application. I repeat, just download Unacademy learning application, and after downloading, just select your class 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th, whatever it is. After doing so, you just need to use what? You just need to use my referral code, that is SUYASHLIVE. I repeat, you just need to use my referral code, that is SUYASHLIVE. Okay, on using this referral code, you will be able to get the access to all the free content. जितने भी free courses हैं, free classes हैं, वो सारे आप देख सकते हैं. फिर चाहे वो मेरी फ्री क्लासेस हो या किसी और की हो, you can watch all them. Hello Amardeep, how are you? Hello Rashi, how are you doing today? All of you guys, come on, respond. Okay, is that clear to all of you, right? This is what you can do. Apart from that guys, देखिए, Unacademy is a platform where you can learn for free as well, and where you can learn by paying as well. Free classes देखने के बाद, अगर आपको लगता है, that depends on you, If you think that you should go for Unacademy Plus subscription, then you can also take Unacademy Plus subscription for your respective class. But please remember one thing, that while you take Unacademy Plus subscription, आप ये कोड यूज करके 10% का डिस्काउंट ले सकते हैं. इफ यू गो फॉर Unacademy Plus सब्सक्रिप्शन, तो आपको चार्जेस पे 10% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा after using this code. But the problem that we have is what, guys? The problem that we have is this, that if you use this code by 28th of February, only then you will be getting 10%. After 28th of February, all these discounts will actually come down to 5%. Okay. Hello Irshad, how are you? Is that clear to you? After 28th of February, all these discounts will be coming down to 5%, and after 28th February, you will only get a 5% discount. So 10% discount is available only till 28th of February. And now the time has come to start with our discussion that we have for today, linear equations in two variables. Okay, very simple topic, guys, very simple discussion that we will be having on this particular topic, linear equations in two variables. Okay, what do we understand from linear equations in two variables? When I'm saying linear equation in two variables, what do I mean by that? Okay, what do I mean by linear equation in two variables? Linear means that I'm talking about what? Linear means that I'm talking about those equations whose degree is 1. Okay, and two variables means that I'm talking about what? Variables like x and y, or there could be any other two variables, right? Linear means that I'm talking about degree 1, and two variables means that I'm talking about two variables. One could be x, one could be y. Okay, so this is what we are talking about over here. Now moving forward, what next we need to discuss? Another thing that we should talk about is what is the standard form of this linear equation in two variable. Every linear equation, guys, that I'm talking about in two variable can actually be represented in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form that we have for any linear equation in two variable, which means that if you talk about any equation, let's say you are having 2x is equal to 3y minus 5. You are talking about what? Let's say you are talking about 7x minus 6 is equal to 5y. Or if you are talking about any other equation, all these equations, guys, can be represented in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This could be written down as 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. This could be written down as 7x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0, right? So this is one equation that we have got, and this is another equation that we have got. Are you clear with this, guys? Got it? Yes or no? Hello Aisha, how are you? Got it? So 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. 7x minus 5y minus 6 equals 0. This is how we can do what? This is how we can write these equations that we are talking about over here. Now, if I compare them with the standard form, I can very easily find out the values of a, b and c. Okay, so if for the first equation I ask you what is a, what is b, what is c, for this equation you will very easily say that a is what? A is 2. B is what? B is minus 3. And c is what? C is 5. If for this equation I ask you, you will say, sir, a is 7. Then b is what? B is minus 5. And c is what? C is minus 6. Is that clear to you, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. If I'm talking about another equation that I'm having over here, let's talk about it. So let's say if you are having this is what you are having. Could you please tell me, guys, the value of a, the value of b and the value of c? All the students out there, what is the value of a, b and c respectively? Bataiye. Everyone, come on. Respective values of a, b and c. When you compare it with ax, by and c. Come on, guys. Okay. So Aditi says A6, B minus 7, C9. Yes, exactly. So what Aditi has written, that is absolutely right, and same goes for Rashi. So how would we do it, guys? First, we will be converting it in the form of standard equation, right? And that will be done by taking everything on the left hand side. So it will become 6x minus 7y, then we will be having what, plus 9 equals 0. And when I'm talking about this, so from here I will be finding out a being 6, b being minus 7, and c being 9. Okay, so this is how we can talk about any equation that we are having for that matter. Right now, moving forward, if I'm having any other equation of this form, let's say I'm having y is equal to minus 3, could you please tell me, guys, the value of a, b, and c in this? A, B and C value in this. This is the equation y is equal to minus 3. बताइए. All of you. Do we have answers, guys? Come on, try it out. Y is equal to minus 3 is our equation that has been given to me. How should I go about finding the values of A, B, and C? That is the question. Tell me. Okay. So when I'm talking about this, what I would do, please focus. First and foremost, I will be converting this in the standard form, right? How? To convert this into the standard form, I will simply write it in this way. Please focus. It will simply be written down as, I'm going to have y plus 3 equals 0. Because I need to include the terms of x as well, but there is no term of x, so I can simply write it as 0x, then plus 1 into y, plus 3 is equal to 0. This is what my equation will be finally. Okay, and from here, if I compare my a, b, and c, a will come out as 0, b will come out as 1, and c will come out as 3. Are you clear with this, guys? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. A being 0, b being 1, and c being 3 will be our final solution for this particular kahani. Talking about the next one, this is the next question, guys. If I'm having x minus 9 equal to 0, then could you tell me what will be the values of a, b, and c? So if I'm talking about the values of a, b, and c over here, again, this equation first and foremost can be converted as x plus 0y minus 9 equal to 0. And from here, a will be coming out as 1, b will be coming out as 0, and c will be coming out as minus 9. Are you clear with this or not? All of you got it? Okay, so this is how you can compare the coefficients whenever you are talking about any question like this. Okay, now let's move forward. Now comes the next kahani, guys, the next topic that we have in this chapter, and that is, okay, if you have this linear equation in two variables, can you tell me how many solutions are there for this linear equation in two variables? How many solutions in total will be there for this given linear equation in two variables? If I'm talking about 4x plus 3y equals 12, then how many solutions will be there for this linear equation? All of you guys, come on, tell me. How many solutions will be there? So guys, there will exactly be infinite solutions that this linear equation can have. Okay, any linear equation in how many variables? Any linear equation in two variables can have infinite solutions. I repeat, any linear equation in two variables can have infinite solutions, right? When I'm talking about infinite solutions, what basically infinite solutions represent? So basically, infinite solutions talk about the infinite points. I repeat, infinite solutions talk about the infinite points which are lying, that are lying on what, that are lying on the line that is being represented by this linear equation. Okay, so if I'm having 4x plus 3y equal 12, right? So let's find out some solutions. How to do that? To find out the possible solutions, guys, we make a table out over here. Okay, this is how we make a table, and in this particular table we make two different slots that you can see over here. So this is x and this is y. So what we do, we simply take the values of x, and for the respective values of x we find the values of y. For example, when the value of x is 1, I will, so, or let's say the simplest point first, when the value of x is 0, I will find out the value of y. Okay, so when the value of x is 0, what will be y? If you focus over here, x0, y will be coming out as, x को 0 put करा, it will be 3y equal 12, so y will be coming out as 4. In the same way, putting y equal to 0, what will be x? Do it. When you have put your y equal to 0, your 4x will be 12 and x will be coming out as 3. In the same way, what we can do, we can put our x equal to 1. Putting x equal to 1, y will be coming out as what? X is 1, so 4 plus 3y equals 12, 3y equals 8, y will be nothing but 8 upon 3. Okay, putting y equals 1, what will be x? Putting y equals 1, it will be 4x plus 3 equal to 12, which means 4x equal to 9, and x will be coming out as 9 upon 4. Are you getting this, guys? Everyone clear, yes or no? Hello Rosie, how are you? So this is how we can talk about all these things that we are having over here. In the same way, I can find more points. Let's say I am putting x equal to 2. When x is 2, what will be y? Focus. When x is 2, it will be 4 times 2 that you are having, and 8. So 8 plus 3y equals 12. I am just doing it over here. So 4 into 2 plus 3y equals 12. From here, 3y equals 12 minus 8. That gives me 3y equals 8, and 3y equals 4, and y equals 4 by 3. So we got y equals 4 upon 3. Okay, moving forward, if your y is 2, what will be x? When your y is 2, you have 4x plus 6 equals 12. That means 4x is equal to 12 minus 6. That means, okay, let's do it over here. So 4x plus 3 times of 2 is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12 minus 6. 6x will be coming out as 6 upon 4. That is 3 upon 2. So you got 3 upon 2 from here. Are you clear? So this is how we can find out the respective values of x and y. Okay, if you see, these are some of the solutions. I repeat, these are some of the solutions that we have for x and y. There could be many more. If you see, 0, 4 is one solution, 3, 0, 1, 8 by 3, 9 by 4, 1, 2, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 2. All these are the possible solutions that we have of this linear equation in two variable. Is that clear to you guys? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me, right? So there could be infinite solutions. I repeat, there could be infinite solutions, and out of those infinite solutions, these are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solutions. But इसी तरीके से आप x और y की अलग अलग वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं, और आप x और y का अलग अलग जो है सॉल्यूशंस बहुत सारे निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ कम्स द ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन कि ये ज्योमेट्रिकली क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ओके, तो जब मैं बात कर रहा हूं 4x plus 3y equal 12, या अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूं किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन की, ओके, फॉर दैट मैटर इट कुड बी एनी लीनियर इक्वेशन दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एवरी लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स और एवरी लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल represents what? It simply represents a straight line. Okay, for example, when I found out some points lying on this line, so the points were over here. If you see 2 points, we can see that one being 0, 4, another being 3, 0. Okay, so these are 2 points that we are having, 0, 4, 3, 0. Now moving forward, when I'm talking about these 2 points 0, 4, 3, 0, let's plot them over here. This is the coordinate axis that we have, assuming this to be y, assuming this to be x. So I want one point which is x being 0, y being 4. So one is 0, 4. 0 comma 4 will be lying somewhere over here. If you see, this is my point 0 comma 4. Okay, and the next point is 3 comma 0, that will be lying where? 3 comma 0 will be lying somewhere over here. This is my point 3 comma 0. Okay, how many points you need to draw a line? How many points you need to draw a line? Hello Mansha, you need exactly 2 points to draw a line, and you got the 2 points. Abhi aap kya kar sakte ho? Now you can just draw the line like this, assuming that this point is over here. Okay, so this is how we can draw the line. This line is what? This line is nothing but represented by 4x plus 3y equal 12. Okay, this line is nothing but 4x plus 3y equal 12. Now if you focus over here, please try to understand that every line that we are talking about, okay, every line that we are talking about that is represented by such a equation will basically have infinite points. Okay, how many points are there on this line? There are infinite points lying on the line, yes or no guys? And what are these infinite points, and from where I can find these infinite points? Please understand that these infinite points actually represent what? These infinite points represent the infinite solutions that we are talking about over here. Okay, so every solution that we find out for this linear equation, every solution that we find out for this linear equation will actually be lying on this particular line. Do you understand this or not? All the students out there, guys, are you clear with this? All of you, please respond. I repeat again, every linear equation that you are talking about is basically having infinite solutions, पहली बात. And दूसरी बात, for those infinite solutions, they actually represent the infinite points lying on the geometrical representation of that equation. And what is the geometrical representation? Geometrical representation is nothing but a line. Okay, all the students out there, guys, quickly respond. Is that clear to you? Rosie, Govind, Rashi, Mansha, all the students out there, is that clear to you? Everyone got it till here? Yes or no? Please tell me quickly. Okay, so now let's proceed forward. The next kahani that we have over here. Now guys, now comes some of the equations. So we are clear with one fact that whenever I'm having any line, so let's talk about one more question over here. Let's say this is what I'm having, 3x plus 2y equals 6. Again, I can find out so many points lying on this line. For example, if I make the table over here, this is my table that I'm having. If we talk about some of the points x and y, what will those points be? So when your x is 0, y will be what? Y will be 3. Then when your y is 0, x will be what? When y is 0, x will be 2. Then when your x is 1, y will be what? X1, you have 2y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 upon 2. In the same way, when y is 1, x will be what? When y is 1, 3x is equal to 4, x will be 4 upon 3, and so on. Clear? So this is how we can find out so many x and y. Again, if you talk about the geometrical representation of this, what will that be? This is your y-axis, considering this is your x-axis. Talking about these points, 0 comma 3 is what you're talking about, which is over here. This is the point 0 comma 3. Let's talk about another point, that is 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 must be lying somewhere over here, 2 comma 0. And now guys, if you join them, what you will be having? Okay, so if you join them, you will be getting something like this. Okay, so assuming that this is the point 2 comma 0 that we are talking about, ye hai aapka 2 comma 0. So this is how we can talk about this line. You can extend it in both the sides. This is how you can do it, and this is the line that you are looking forward to. Are we clear with this, everyone, guys? Come on, respond. You got the point? Do you understand this till here, right? So this is how we can talk about these kahanis that we have. Again, every point lying on this line is actually a solution. Okay, हर एक point जो इस line पर lie कर रहा है, every point lying on this line is what? Every point lying on this line is basically representing a solution. Okay, it is a solution. Every point lying on this line is a solution to the equation, okay, that is written over here. And every solution of this equation is what? Every solution of this equation is basically a point which is lying on this line. Okay, so both the direction ye aapka true hota hai, and this is how we talk about it. Okay, clear? Now guys, let's talk about some other type of questions. Let's say if you are having something like this, x equal to -2. Okay, now can you tell me some of the points through which this line is passing? Okay, can you tell me how many solutions are there for this equation? How many solutions are there for this? Just like we said that there are infinite solutions for this. How many solutions for this? Tell me, कितने solutions होंगे इस equation के? Everyone, guys, come on. So this equation is what? This equation is independent of y. पहली चीज तो ये है. Alternatively, I'm making another equation over here. Let's talk about this. Y is equal to 2. Now this equation is what? This equation is independent of x. Clear? Now, when I'm talking about these two equations, guys, independent of x and independent of y, always remember every equation which is independent of y. Hello SS Gaming, how are you? Every equation which is independent of y, which means every equation of the form x equal to a. इस form की हर एक equation जहाँ पर a कुछ भी हो सकता है, okay? Every equation of the form x equal to a represents a line. What? Please focus, guys. Represents a line parallel to y-axis. लिख लीजिए इसको कहीं पर if you want to. This will help you in class 9, in class 10th and 11th as well. Every equation of the form x equal to a represents a line parallel to y-axis. Okay, now when I'm talking about a line parallel to y-axis, what is happening? If you see in this equation, x is fixed, which means x is equal to -2. When x is fixed, तो x की वैल्यू यही रहेगी, but क्योंकि ये y से independent है, so please remember, because it is independent of y, that is why y could be what? Y क्या हो सकता है? Y could be anything. I repeat, that is why y could be what? Y could be anything. Which means the solution of this equation will be, please focus, -2 comma anything. I repeat, -2 comma any number will be the solution of this particular equation. I repeat, because this is independent of y, every equation of the form x equal to a, which is independent of y, okay, every equation of the form x equal to a, which is independent of y, will actually give you a geometrical representation of a line that is parallel to y-axis. One thing, when it is parallel to y-axis, then again understand one thing, that here your x is fixed, but your y could be what? Your y could be any number. Okay, for example, if I'm talking about some possible solutions, they could be -2 comma 0, then you can have -2 comma 1, then you can have -2 comma 2, then you can have -2 comma 3, -2 comma 4, -2 comma -1, -2 comma -2, and so on. Okay, so this is how we can talk about all the possible solutions for this particular kahani that we are having over here, right? One thing. Second thing, If I'm talking about drawing the graph for this, okay, what it would be, please understand guys, let's forget about this for now. This is your Cartesian system that we are talking about. And if I'm talking about x equal to -2, देखिए आपका x equal to -2 कहीं पर यहाँ lie करेगा. This is your -2, let's say. So if you look at the point 0, 1, 2, आपका y coordinate constantly change हो रहा है, x change नहीं हो रहा. So basically your line will be like this. This is the line and it is parallel to y-axis. I repeat, it is parallel to y-axis. Okay, it is parallel to y-axis. If I'm talking about any other equation x equal to 2, so for this the solutions could be 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma -3. So if this is x equal to 2, then the line would be like this, parallel to y-axis. This is your y-axis. You getting it? So this is how we can talk about these equations in the same way. So every line, I repeat guys, every line which is of the form okay, everyone clear with this guys? Every line of the form x equal to a, हर एक line जो x equal to a form का है will basically represent what? Will basically represent an equation of will basically represent a line that is parallel to y-axis. Okay, अब आते हैं y equal to 2 पर. If I'm having y equal to 2, now if you see this equation is independent of what? This equation is independent of x. Okay, this equation is what guys? This equation is independent of x. When I'm talking about this equation which is independent of x, what can be done over here? Again the same kahani. Every equation of the form y equal to a, I repeat, every equation of the form y equal to a, it represents what? It represents a line parallel to what? It represents a line parallel to x-axis. Okay, y2 है, which means y क्या है? y fixed है. और जब y fixed है तो height fixed है. height fixed है तो line आपकी किसके पैरेलल होगी? x के पैरेलल होगी. Okay, because it is independent of x. So again I will be saying what? Again I will be saying that x could be what? X could be anything. I repeat guys, x could be what? X could be anything. Is that clear to you? Okay, so what I'm saying to you is this, that this y equal to 2 is a line that is independent of x. I repeat, this y equal to 2 is a line that is independent of x, and that is why over here x could be what? X could be anything. Okay, which means the solutions for this particular equation will be what? They will be of the form any number, क्योंकि x कुछ भी हो सकता है, so it will be any number, comma what? Comma 2. Hello Nandini, how are you? Y is fixed, that is 2, right? And for example, the possible solutions could be, I can have 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2, minus 5 comma 2, minus 7 comma 2, and so on. Or it could be 0 comma 2. Okay, so when you will basically plot it, what will happen? Let's have a look. This is your Cartesian system. Let's say this is the point that we are having 0 comma 2 where y is 2. Okay, so this is the point that we are having. Let's take any other point, 0 2, then 1 2. Let's take 1 2. 1 2 will be here, then 2 2 will be here. Let's join all these points. So this is the line that we are talking about over here, right? So this is the line that we'll be having, this being y-axis, this being x-axis. Okay, so this is the line that you have, y is equal to 2. Are you clear with this or not? Everyone got it? Okay, in the same way we are talking about y is equal to -2. This is a line that we are having. If this point is 0 comma -2, so this is the line that we have, y is equal to -2. Are we clear with this guys? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Got the point? Do you understand that? If I'm talking about a line that is x equal to 5, let's say, hello Noni saying how are you? X equal to 5 की बात कर लेते हैं. X equal to 5 will be, let's say this is your 5 comma 0 point. So x equal to 5 will be a line like this. This is your x equal to 5. Okay, if I'm talking about x equal to minus 6, let's say this is the point minus 6 comma 0. So your x equal to minus 6 will be what? It will be like this. This is your x equal to minus 6, considering this is the point. Okay, so this is how basically we can talk about these kahanis that we are discussing over here. I hope you all are clear with this discussion that we just had. Okay, everyone out there, guys, please respond. Is that clear to all of you? Good to know, Noni. What about others? Everyone out there, guys, come on, respond. Are you all clear with this? Whatever that we have discussed till now. Everyone clear with that? All of you got it till here? Any doubt, any problem anyone is facing, please ask me very quickly. Got it? Okay, so this is how we can talk about all these kahanis, right? So what do we understand in a nutshell? In a nutshell, we understand that whenever we have y is equal to a form, this is parallel to which axis? Parallel to x axis, क्योंकि y fix है. And whenever we have x equal to a form, this is parallel to x axis, this is parallel to y axis, क्योंकि क्या fix है? क्योंकि आपका x fix है. Okay, this is how we can talk about the kahanis that we are having over here. Okay, so that is all from my side, guys, for today. Thank you so much for being here. I repeat again, you all can find so many free special classes on Unacademy learning application as well. आप बहुत सारी free special classes Unacademy learning application पर भी join कर सकते हैं. वो join करने के लिए आपने कुछ नहीं करना है. You just need to do what? You just need to download Unacademy learning application. Okay, after downloading the application, select your class, whatever your class is. Okay, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, and after that just use this invite code that you can see over here. This is the invite code that you can use. Using this invite code, you guys will be able to do what? You guys will be able to unlock all the free content. Okay, जितना भी free content Unacademy पर है, जितने भी free लेक्चर्स, फ्री सेशंस, फ्री कोर्सेज अनअकैडमी पर हैं जो मैंने बनाए हैं या बाकी टीचर्स के हैं, आप वो सब देख सकते हैं. यू विल बी एलिजिबल टू वॉच ऑल दीज फ्री कोर्सेज. ऑल्सो if you are planning to take Unacademy Plus subscription, then the 10% discount using this code is only valid till 28th of February. After 28th of February, it will only be 5% discount that you will be eligible for using this particular code. Okay, so this is how we can talk about this. Okay, and that is all, guys, from my side. Thank you so much for being here. All the students out there, guys, take care. Have a great day. I will see you all in the next class. Tab tak ke liye goodbye. Okay. All the students out there, Nani, Manisha, Mansha, sorry, then Nandini, SS Gaming, Rosie, and Govind, and Rashi, Aditi, Aisha, Irshad, Amardeep, Anshul, everyone. Okay. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Okay. Bye, all of you.